Dancehall artist Aishan is in celebratory mode as her collaboration Brace It with Grammy-winning artist Ed Sheeran has secured a place on the UK iTunes chart at number 87. The song also entered the Reggae iTunes chart at number 1 and currently sits in the number 9 spot. Brace It has also garnered close to 1 million streams on Spotify and is trending number 18 on the streaming platform YouTube. Over the weekend, Aishan surprised her fans with an Instagram live with a multi-Grammy winner. During the live, Ed Sheeran shared that he is happy to be a part of the collab while revealing that the video for the track is on its way.
We need to get this video done as well.
Yes, because everybody's asking. I was trying to keep it a secret. You never give me the opportunity to keep it a secret. Ed, come on! You just told everybody that we're planning the video.
Oh man, well, I feel like people want it, so I feel like we have to give it to them.
Brace It was written by Scatta Burrell, Peter Harrison, Ed Sheeran and Aishana. The track marks Aishana's grand return to the music scene.
First Wembley done. Brace It with Aishana is out right now. This is it. Go and have a beer. Go and check out the song, and I will see you at the next for Wembley's. Love you.
Dancehall artist Skellibeng was named among 40 artists Apple Music has selected to celebrate Black Music Month. The DJ continues to make waves in his career and has been named one of the artists for Black Music Month chosen by Apple Music editors. During his interview on the platform, Skellibeng shared details of his musical influence.
Vybz Kartel. I knew you. Vybz Kartel was the one who showed me that it's not all about sounding like you. You could try something different.
Skellibeng also shared details on teaming up with the unruly boss Popcorn on the track dubbed Habit.
And like one day, Popcorn came from tour or something. He came to St. Thomas and they invited me up to his house. And we was just vibing. We was throwing some songs at each other and it was like, yo, you hard. And after that, it was just, from there, we just became friends.
The artist is also gearing up to release his EP, Mr. Universe. He did not disclose the release date for the upcoming project. Canadian rapper Drake scored his 11th Billboard #1 album with the latest release, Honestly Nevermind. Drake becomes the first solo male to simultaneously debut at #1 on the Billboard 200 and the Hot 100. Drake's Jimmy Cooks, which features 21 Savage, blasts to the #1 spot on the Billboard Hot 100. The collaboration marks Drake's 11th Hot 100 #1 and 21 Savage's second. Honestly Nevermind is genre-bending for the hip-hop star and is contained mostly of house music. Drake is the 5th act with more than 10 #1 albums on the Billboard 200. He joins the likes of the Beatles, Jay-Z, and Bruce Springsteen. I'm Daytrain Gordon reporting for E! Prime.